9 signs she secretly likes you. Ever wonder if someone secretly likes you? Deciphering subtle signals can be tricky, but some signs are more telling than others, so pay close attention. Here are 9 signs that she might secretly like you. Shares memes she thinks you'll enjoy. When someone likes you, they often share memes or funny content tailored to your sense of humor. This act of sharing not only shows they pay attention to what you find amusing, but also serves as a subtle way to connect with you throughout the day. According to a study by the Pew Research Center, digital communication, such as sharing memes, plays a significant role in how relationships are formed and maintained in the modern age. By sending you content that resonates with your interests, she demonstrates a desire to make you smile and to create a shared experience. This small but meaningful gesture is her way of staying on your radar and building a rapport even when you're not physically together. It's a playful, low-pressure way of saying, "I'm thinking about you," which can deepen your bond over time. Through these interactions, she establishes a shared digital space that brings you closer, even when you are apart. Sends random daily updates. Frequent, spontaneous messages throughout the day indicate she's thinking about you and wants to include you in her life. These updates could be about anything from her morning coffee to an interesting article she read. This behavior aligns with findings from the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, which suggest that constant communication is key to developing intimacy. By sharing these seemingly mundane details, she's inviting you into her daily routine and hoping to create a narrative that includes you. This practice also allows for continuous interaction, ensuring that your conversations never run dry. It's her way of saying she values your presence in her life and wants to keep you close, even if it's just through a screen. These daily updates help to foster a sense of closeness and familiarity, bridging the gap between physical interactions. Asks about your weekend plans. If she's interested in how you spend your free time, it's a clear sign she's invested in your life. Asking about your weekend plans can be her way of finding opportunities to spend time with you. According to a study by the American Psychological Association, showing interest in someone's activities is a strong indicator of affection and attentiveness. By inquiring about your plans, she's not only making conversation, but also subtly checking if there's a chance to see you. This behavior suggests that she's looking for ways to integrate herself into your life and find common interests or activities you can enjoy together. It's a thoughtful way of expressing her desire to be part of your world. Furthermore, her curiosity about your plans demonstrates her wish to align her schedule with yours. Making it easier to spend quality time together and deepen your connection gives unique, thoughtful compliments. When she offers you compliments that go beyond the surface, it's a sign she's paying close attention to who you are. Instead of generic remarks, she might praise your unique talents, your sense of humor, or your thoughtful gestures. According to research published in the journal Personal Relationships, personalized compliments can significantly enhance relational closeness and affection. By focusing on specific qualities that make you special, she's showing that she appreciates you on a deeper level. These thoughtful compliments are not just about making you feel good, they're about expressing genuine admiration and interest in your unique attributes. This level of attention and appreciation is a strong indicator that she values and likes you. By highlighting what sets you apart, she reinforces your bond and shows that she sees and values the real you, fostering a deeper emotional connection. Remembers and surprises you with favorite foods. Bringing you your favorite coffee or snack might seem like a small gesture, but it's loaded with meaning. Remembering your preferences and surprising you with them shows that she's attentive to your likes and dislikes. According to a study in the Journal of Consumer Research, personalized gifts, even small ones like favorite foods, can enhance emotional bonds and express care. This act of thoughtfulness demonstrates that she's not only listening to you, but also making an effort to make you happy. It's her way of showing that she's invested in your happiness and wants to see you smile. This gesture, though simple, speaks volumes about her feelings. By doing so, she is expressing her desire to be considerate and caring, nurturing your relationship with small yet significant acts of kindness that strengthen your emotional bond. Makes and shares music playlists. Creating and sharing playlists is a modern-day mixtape, a romantic gesture that indicates she wants to share something personal with you. Music has a profound effect on emotions, and sharing a playlist can be a way of communicating feelings that words can't quite capture. According to research in psychology of music, sharing music is a form of social bonding that can enhance relationships. By curating a list of songs she thinks you'll like, she's sharing a piece of her world with you and inviting you to understand her better through her musical tastes. This act is both intimate and thoughtful, showing that she wants to connect with you on a deeper level. By sharing her musical preferences, she opens up a personal aspect of her life, fostering mutual understanding and deepening your emotional connection through the universal language of music. Tags you in relatable social media posts. When she tags you in posts or comments that remind her of you, it's a clear sign she's thinking about you even when you're not around. Social media interactions, while seemingly trivial, play a significant role in modern relationships. A study published in Cyber Psychology, Behavior, and Social Networking found that online interactions can enhance closeness and connection in relationships. By tagging you, she's creating a shared digital experience and expressing her thoughts about you in a public forum. This behavior indicates that you're on her mind and that she wants to share parts of her online world with you. It's a subtle but effective way of showing she cares. This public acknowledgement can also be seen as her way of subtly showcasing her affection for you to her social circle, reinforcing your connection both privately and publicly. Offers to help with tasks. Offering assistance with your tasks or projects is a strong sign she likes you. This willingness to help shows she cares about your well-being and wants to make your life easier. According to the theory of social exchange in psychology, people are more likely to invest their time and effort in those they care about. By offering her help, she's demonstrating a desire to be supportive and involved in your life. This behavior goes beyond mere friendliness. It's a tangible expression of her affection and interest in you. Her readiness to lend a hand signals that she values your happiness and wants to be a positive presence in your life. Her consistent support in various aspects of your life illustrates her commitment to your well-being, and her desire to build a deeper, more supportive relationship becomes more animated when you're around. Noticeable changes in her behavior when you're around, such as increased energy and enthusiasm, can be a clear sign of her interest. According to the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior, people often exhibit heightened animation and expressiveness when they're with someone they like. This increased liveliness is a subconscious way of showing attraction and making the interaction more engaging. If she lights up and becomes more talkative and expressive when she sees you, it's likely because your presence excites her. This behavioral shift is her way of signaling that she enjoys your company and feels a special connection with you. Her enthusiastic responses and increased attentiveness when you're present underscore her genuine interest and emotional investment in your interactions, making it clear that your presence has a positive impact on her mood and energy. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.